Pagi di Istanbul. Welcome guys, welcome to Istanbul. Sama. Pagi di Istanbul. Welcome guys, welcome to Istanbul, full of mosques. Learned that Stockholm is a city, sorry, Stockholm.
From the Roman time. So about Constantine port.
Learned that Istanbul is a city of 3,750 mosques and around 300 churches as well, and a few synagogues. So it's a melting pot of all cultures. I have to be careful because of the traffic behind me. Obelisk you see is 3,500 years old. Comes from Egypt.
In a few hundred years, Istanbul took a few million people to the city. So it's a huge population for that time. When we talk about the Roman Empire, they were ruling the universe, but they had only 60 million population.
So over 1,500 of these fountains / cisterns exist from the Ottoman time, which symbolize generosity for the people of Istanbul. And bazaar we passed one main street, and the whole bazaar has over 1,400 shops. The whole bazaar I think has over 16 main streets. We only passed one in the video in the beginning. So that's how huge it is.
But it could easily affect from earthquakes. And Roman law, in every 40 years, Istanbul had three and major earthquakes. Still we are having.
Guide, Sultan Ahmed Mosque is the only one in the world with 6 minarets, except for the one in Mecca, the holy city, of course, in Saudi Arabia, Arab Saudi. And then they actually built 6, but they decided to give one more to Mecca, so Mecca is the only one in the world with 7 minarets. And Sultan Ahmed, right there, 6. So ini mama aku ya, and then look how big the mosque is. Lagi mama ya, mama. Mosque ya, Jami. Gitu. Blue Mosque in Istanbul. Sophia behind me. If it was still a cathedral like it was before, it would be the 4th biggest cathedral in the world. But of course, in the meantime, the Muslims took over, so it became a mosque, and now it's just a museum because the Turkish people say it is belonging to the whole of humanity, not only Muslims or Christians.
in Hollywood.
Sen de bakabilirsin resimlerime canım. Ben sana açarım.
Traditional Turkish dance. Spinning in a circle like that for a long, long time.
Oh yes, it's real.
For over a minute, 2 minutes, yeah.
Yeah.
They never stop.
Böyle herhalde takılıyor.
City lights belongs to the Asian part of the Istanbul.
Ben anlatmaz. Ben anlatmam. Zişo. Ja sam išla. Isto bila šestera.
Ben 32.
Baba,